I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spinach pesto for 2 people in 15 minutes. You'll need the following ingredients: spinach, Parmesan cheese, garlic, basil, and olive oil. You're going to fill the food processor by clumping up the spinach leaves and placing them inside the food processor. Next, place 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Then add your half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Then you will chop all the ingredients until the oil produces a fine mixture. The pesto should form an oily mix. Spinach pesto ready in 15 minutes.